Ooh, that's good.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for your drink of the week. Today I am teaching you how to make a cranberry Christmas margarita. You need lime juice, simple syrup, cranberry juice, triple sec, cran raisin LaCroix, fresh cranberries, sprig of thyme, El Tesoro single barrel reposado from the 7 Guy Collective. This is from our friends at Main Street Wine and Spirit who are sponsoring today's episode. So make sure you guys head on over there, especially for the holiday season. They have a huge selection of wine and spirits. It is the best Christmas gift to give because you know someone's going to use it. Let's get started. We're doing this in a rocks glass and we're going to put some sea salt on the rim. So I'm going to take a lime wedge, okay, kind of ring it along the top. So there's the juice, plate of salt. Looks like snow. When building our drinks, we go non-alcohol to alcohol. The reason we do this is because if you mess up along the way, you're dumping out your non-alcohol first, so that way you're not wasting any alcohol. 1 ounce of lime juice, half an ounce of simple syrup, half an ounce of triple sec, 2 ounces of the El Tesoro Reposado 7 Guy Collective, smells so good. We're gonna shake her on up. This sounded like a good idea in my head, but this thing is very shake her on up. Gonna dump her on in, top her on off with some cran raisin, a splash of cranberry juice for color. And then we will add some cranberries on in and a sprig of mint. And there you have it. Ladies and gentlemen, your drink this week, a cranberry Christmas margarita. As always, guys, share it if you like it.